Everyone's generating AI art now, but can AI actually create convincing videos? We're breaking down the truth with Welch Labs, and the results might surprise you. AI image generators are incredible, but video is a different beast. Welch Labs tested the latest tools to see if AI can handle motion, consistency, and realism. The technical challenges are massive. Maintaining coherence across frames is exponentially harder than static images. We're exploring what actually works and what still fails spectacularly. Today's AI video tools struggle with physics, lighting continuity, and temporal coherence, but Welch Labs demonstrates real examples. Some outputs are remarkably smooth, others completely break down. I have a natural real examples. Some outputs are marked. Understanding these limits helps us use these tools strategically as creative assets, not standalone solutions. Despite limitations, AI videos excel for specific use cases: concept previews, background elements, motion study references, and design exploration. Artists using these tools strategically, combining AI output with post-production refinement, are creating stunning work. The key is knowing when to use AI as a foundation versus expecting it to replace traditional animation entirely. We're at an inflection point. As models improve, AI video will become essential for rapid prototyping and ideation. Welch Labs predicts multimodal workflows combining AI generation will dominate creations. The artist adapting now will lead the tool. Are you testing? Like this video and subscribe for more honest AR breakdowns.